Hi guys, how are you today? So I just wanted to show you quickly what I'm doing this morning and what I do generally to make sure we got always plenty of food in our food forest with just minimal effort. So yeah, just let's get into it. So some of the annuals I grow, I always let some of them to go into seeds. As you can see here, for example, this is the daikon radish. I haven't buy any daikon radish seeds for like 3 or 4 years already. It's always the best if you have the seeds from the region, from the area where you live, so they grow the best, the food grows the best. So anyway, today I just collected some of the parsnip, some of the seeds, and I'm now about to collect the rocket seeds. You can see them, but we will make it very simple, not complicated at all. You don't have to store them, you don't have to look after them, you don't have to sow them later on and think about where and when. You can see there are seeds in there. So I basically cut it off. It's easier. So these ones are not ripe yet, some of the green ones, so I leave them for now. But these are all ready to go. So what I do, I just get them and just squish them where I want to have them. So basically, so that's about it. You can see the shells are empty. Hope you can see it here. They all opened up because the seeds were already nice and dry. So the job, there are some green ones, but that's okay. I will put it into my everything and anything compost pile, and they may fall down and grow around here, like this guy, for example. This is the Chinese sword lettuce. Grew by itself as well, like most of our stuff here. So yeah, that's basically done. I also collected some of the parsnip seeds, but I will keep them for now, so I will wait till they are really nice and dry and we'll just put them where I want them, and yeah, they will grow again when the right time comes, which will be about our subtropical winter time. I'm doing it with lots and lots of different greens, herbs and so on. So this is the great way really for me of gardening, easy way, and you've got lots of food if you do it that way. So because you don't lose the seeds, they are straight where they are supposed to be, and yeah, you can spend your time somewhere else. So yeah, gardening is easy. You really have to know just how, and if you have any questions or comments, just put them in the section below, in the comment section under the video. If you want to check our website, we've are doing workshops, courses and so on. So our website is the permacultureheaven.com. The link will be in the description as well. And yeah, I'm going and collecting some of the dill seeds, doing the same. Also some flowers, because I'm going to do some dill vinegar. I will put a picture on Instagram so you can have a look. And yeah, other than that, I wish you all the best with all your projects. Have fun gardening, grow your food, because it really makes fun. It makes you addicted, and the extra bonus is you've got a very healthy food, always fresh, always available on your table. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and have a good time. Bye.